Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to get the multimedia interface working again. As you can see on the display, MMI no longer recognizes the interface. I'll show you how you can easily fix the problem. First, I try the easiest way, the hard reset of the MMI unit. We will see if that works. You have to press the 3 buttons at the same time to start the hard reset. As you can see, unfortunately it didn't work the easy way. In the glove compartment, we have 2 components, the CD changer on the right and the multimedia interface on the left. We now have to remove and unplug the multimedia interface. A special tool is required to remove the multimedia interface. The tool can be bought cheaply anywhere. After unplugging the MMI interface, I check the fiber optic cable to make sure it is working properly. You have to switch on the ignition briefly so that you can see whether the red signal light comes through. If the signal light comes through like mine, then the MMI system is okay. Now we come to the real trick of getting the unit working again. There we have 2 options. First option, we remove the unit and let it rest for 15 minutes, or we short all pins with the case for 3 seconds. And then you can install the unit immediately. Assuming the unit hasn't blown. If the unit is blown, then this solution will not work. How can I find out if the unit is burned out? After following this repair guide and the unit is still not recognized in the MMI, then it is 99% blown. And now for the exciting part. Will the MMI system recognize the interface? Perfect, the interface was recognized. Now I will test it briefly. And the system also recognized my USB stick. Perfect. Thank you for staying until the end. Subscribe to my channel, and I would be happy if you gave a thumbs up.